Have you ever pondered over the mechanics of the stock market? Do the terms bullish and bearish leave you scratching your head? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome to the fascinating world of stocks, where fortunes are made, dreams are shattered, and where the brave and the informed thrive. Picture this: a marketplace bustling with activity. But instead of vegetables and fruits, this market deals in shares of publicly held companies. This, in essence, is what a stock market is. It's a public market for the trading of company stock and derivatives at an agreed price. So, what exactly does buying a stock mean? When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of the company. You become a shareholder, owning a tiny slice of the earnings and assets of that company. Now you might be wondering, how does one buy a stock? It's not like walking into a store and picking up a carton of milk, after all. The first step is to open a brokerage account. This is a bit like opening a bank account, but with a brokerage you can buy and sell stocks. There are many online brokerages out there, each with different fees and features. Do some research and pick the one that fits your needs the best. Next, it's time to make your first order. But wait, don't just dive in head first. You need to decide what type of order you want to make. The two most common types are market orders and limit orders. A market order buys or sells the stock at the best available price, while a limit order only buys or sells the stock if it reaches a specific price. Once you've decided on the type of order, it's time to press that buy button. Congratulations, you're now a shareholder. But remember, buying the stock is just the first step. The real game begins when it's time to sell. Knowing when to sell is just as important as knowing when to buy. Keep an eye on the market trends, stay informed, and be patient. To recap, the stock market is a place where shares of publicly held companies are traded. Buying a stock means becoming a shareholder in that company. To buy a stock, you need to open a brokerage account, decide on the type of order, and then make the purchase. And remember, knowing when to sell is crucial. So, there you have it, the stock market demystified. It's a place of high risk, high reward. But with knowledge, patience, and a little bit of luck, who knows? You might just hit the jackpot. Remember, every great investor started as a beginner. And as they say, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So why not take that step today? Until next time, stay savvy and keep investing.